Epictetus once said, "If you want to improve, be content to be thought foolish and stupid." That's not just a warning, it's a challenge. Are you strong enough to follow your values even if people don't get it? We live in a world full of noise, opinions, judgments, pressure to impress. But the Stoic path is different. It asks, what's your intention? Are you doing this because it's right, or because you want to be liked? Are you acting from courage or from fear? When you don't clarify your why, you drift. You start chasing things you don't even believe in. Success, popularity, applause, empty rewards. But when your intention is rooted in virtue, you're unshakable. You're not playing their game. You're living by your own code. Before you speak, act, or even post online, pause. Ask yourself, am I doing this to look good or to do good? That tiny question is powerful. It protects your peace. It makes your actions meaningful. Choose depth over display, purpose over popularity. That's how Stoics move. If you found this helpful, then don't forget to subscribe Stoic Wisdom every day.